Hi everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. How you doing today?
Doing great, Jackie. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
So today we're talking about oil changes. Why are they so important?
Well, we know that the engine oil is a commonly changed fluid. It's what most people think of when they think of car maintenance. You go get your oil changed. What's also very important is it's protecting the most expensive component on the car. If you don't do the oil changes, which is the cheapest maintenance you can do, you could cause a damaging event that will lead you to the most expensive repair that you could ever have to face.
That's not good.
It's not good at all.
So you've got an animation here that kind of shows us.
We've got a great animation here. This is one of the commonly components on engines nowadays. They have variable valve timing, which makes them more fuel efficient and more power. But they also create a lot of small passageways. And if you don't change your oil often enough, it causes sludging. And as the animation shows, that the oil has to flow through these valves that are electronically controlled by the computer, and they have to flow freely, they have to work quickly, and the only way that's going to work for any length of time is with good, clean oil.
And that's why the oil changes are so important, again, going back to that question.
Absolutely.
So with this oil sludge buildup, the auto shops will tell you this is when you need to come back and get your oil changed. But what's the right interval to go back and get your oil changed and get it looked at?
It depends on how the vehicle's being used. The old school thinking was 3 months, 3,000 miles. That was for years and years and years what people did. The manufacturers now are going totally the opposite way. They're saying some
Really?
7, 8, 10,000 miles, which is way, way too long. And we're seeing a slew of engine problems that people are faced with these massive repair bills when they're following the factory recommended maintenance schedules. So what I tell everybody is take the factory recommended maintenance schedule, shorten it by 20 or 30%, or roughly 4,000 to 5,000 miles is what works out very good. And then the engines will last for almost forever nowadays.
So taking it in every 4,000 to 5,000 miles is usually pretty good, but
Yeah.
maybe sooner if you're driving it, for a different purpose. Or
Yeah, if you are severe duty, which would be short trips, towing, hauling, real super cold weather, that would be considered severe duty. Then you want to shorten that up a little bit.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
So oil changes are really important. It's something everyone needs in their car. So if you need an oil change, bring it over to Weber Automotive. You can check them out online to browse their services and schedule an appointment online at weberautomotive.com. Thanks so much, Brian.
Thanks, Jackie.